3 months ago, Jamie had no idea that AI would change her life forever. But that's exactly what happened. Using nothing but free AI tools, she built a $100,000 stock portfolio starting from scratch. No fancy finance degree, no secret Discord group. Just the right free tools, the right moves, and a lot of asking questions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Jamie set it up and how to try the same approach today. 30 Who is Jamie? Why did she do this? Jamie Tran, 22, senior at UT Austin. Majoring in computer science, low on cash. She's working part-time as a barista, $800 a month on rent, no help from parents. Dreaming of tech job, but worried about layoffs. Everyone is telling her you need to invest. The only problem, she has exactly $500
in savings and zero idea where to start. Jamie says, I always thought investing was for rich people. Or people who have family in finance. I just wanted a shot at financial freedom, but honestly, I was scared to lose everything. But in April 2025, something changed. Now let's rewind and see how it all happened. 200 The discovery. Free AI tools for investing. Jamie starts searching on YouTube. How to invest in stocks as a beginner 2026. Keep seeing videos about AI tools, no paywalls, no sales pitches. First, she tries ChatGPT Pro free. Researches best ETFs for beginners 2026. ChatGPT spits out VU or QQQM, but Jamie wants details. So she tries FinChat, a new app that scrapes SEC filings and generates risk ratings, also 100% free. FinChat says, dividend low risk 9% 10 or average. S&P 500 12% annual return since 2016. Jamie cross-checked with Portfolio Pilot, another free AI tool that does simulated backtest. Within a week, she goes from confused to obsessed. She deposits $250 in Robinhood and $250 into Fidelity. No more holding back, but here's where it gets interesting. At first, she thinks it'll be easy. Just ask AI, buy what it says, get rich. But investing with algorithm gets messy. Pattern and quick cut. Jamie frowning at her screen read portfolio numbers. 400 The complications. Mistakes and surprises. Jamie's first move. She lets ChatGPT pick 3 tech stocks. He goes all in on Nvidia, Coinbase, and Palantir. Market tanks mid-May 2025. Nvidia drops 14% in a week. Coinbase dips 19%. Jamie is down $70, 14% of her entire portfolio within days. Panic sets in. Lesson 1, even AI can't predict the market, so she pivots. Back to FinChat. Now she asks, how do I diversify as a broke college student? This time the AI recommends start with broad ETFs, automate weekly buys, reinvest dividends, and avoid single stock bets. Jamie sets up auto invest on both apps, $25/week. But then in July, AI throws another wrench in the plan. FinChat flags that Jamie's portfolio is 40% tech. Market volatility again. Jamie hesitates, should she trust the AI or stick to her gut? But what happened next changed everything. 600 The climax, turning point and payoff August 2025. Jamie gets an offer for remote software internship, $2,000/month. Instead of lifestyle creep, she cranks up her investing to $400/month. She uses Portfolio Pilot simulation tool to backtest lazy portfolios. Finds that a 70% ETF/30% dividend strategy with quarterly rebalancing beats just all tech about 80% of the time since 2010. Jamie leverages free AI portfolio alerts. When the next big tech dip hits in October, she sticks to dollar cost averaging while other students panic sell. Her ETF positions hold steady, and by December, her diversified portfolio starts to recover faster than the market. By February 2026, Jamie's account hits $100, 411, 43, almost doubled in 12 months. But the real surprise is coming. 700 resolution, and what we learned, Jamie isn't quitting her job to live off stocks. This isn't a magic trick. She's ahead of 90%
of her classmates with a real diversified portfolio. She admits, AI didn't make me a millionaire, it made me disciplined. So what can you do today? Step 1, open a brokerage, Fidelity, Robinhood, whatever you like. Step 2, use free AI tools for research, ChatGPT for ideas, FinChat for data, Portfolio Pilot for managing risk. Step 3, think long-term, auto-invest, reinvest dividend. Diversify, don't chase hype, and never put in money you need for rent. If you want the exact step-by-step setup Jamie used, check the links in the description. If you found this story helpful, hit subscribe and watch this next video on the best ETF portfolios for beginners 2026. Don't miss how AI is reshaping money for real people.